Hello guys! Today's video is going to be very interesting. I'll show you how to upload a video on Dropbox. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile. Log into your account if you haven't already. On the home screen, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select Upload Files from the options. Browse your phone's storage and locate the video you want to upload. Tap on the video, then select the folder in Dropbox where you want to save it. Finally, tap Upload, and your video will begin uploading to Dropbox. And that's it. Your video is now safely uploaded to Dropbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. And for more such videos, do subscribe to the channel.